We're a very outdoors family and love going on weekend trips. There are so many great places to camp near us. That said, I've always struggled to find portable camping mattresses that aren't overly bulky, aren't overpriced, and can withstand the elements. Most importantly though, I've wanted ones that are comfortable for us and the kids. I couldn't believe how difficult it is to find one that meets that criteria. Thankfully, I found the Hazli roll-up mattress. Their high ratings caught my eye as well as the positive reviews. So I ordered some for the entire family. And wow, am I impressed. Each mattress rolls up nice and tight so it's not bulky to carry, even for the kids. The bed itself is incredibly comfortable with thick memory foam. But better yet, the cover is waterproof, so even if we're camping in the rain, our beds stay dry. In between trips, I found some great uses for it too. During the holidays, I used it as a spare bed for guests. They're also the perfect size to put in our living room when the kids have sleepovers with friends. When we go on short weekend trips to visit friends or family, we always bring them with us. Now we always have comfortable beds wherever we go. We're really happy with our Hazli roll-up mattress so far and highly recommend it to anyone looking for a nice portable mattress.